So in order for you to manifest internally and externally whatever you want, you have to match its frequency. You have to tap into its vibration. That means you have to raise your vibration to match and align with what you want. You have to raise your frequency to align with the reality that you want, the manifestation that you want, right? So everything that we're talking about is based on energy, because all this is energy. Once you understand your energy, then you can be able to play around your energy. Energy has a negative polarity and energy has a positive polarity.